Right guys, today we're going to get right to it because I have discovered something that every single Mercedes Benz owner needs to know. So let's jump straight in the car and talk about it. Now you may be familiar with an app called Mercedes Me.
Mercedes Me is an app that allows you to control and monitor features of your car remotely from your phone. You can use it to track your car, and you can unlock your car using your phone without the key. In some regions, you can even use it to remote start your car. But here's the scary part you need to know. There is a huge amount of used Mercedes Benz on the road currently that are still synced to their previous owners' accounts. This means if you have a used Mercedes Benz, there's a high chance the previous owner may still have access to your car with their phone. If they do, they could locate your car via the Find My Car feature, track all your driving data, remotely unlock your car, open the windows and the sunroof, and they may even be able to start the car's engine, all from their phone without the key. So you may be asking, how did I come across this? Well, in 2019 I sold my 2017 C300 Coupe, and now over 3 years later I checked my old Mercedes Me account and I could not believe it was still there. I could see on the app the car had covered over 50,000 miles since I sold it, and I could see exactly where it was on the map. Now, I would never do this of course, but if I wanted to, I had full access to the car and its location. You can imagine how alarming this was, so I just had to make this video to make you guys all aware. So what can you do to check if your car's at risk? Depending on your car, there's a number of options. Your car may have a Mercedes Me button. Press this and your car will call Mercedes Me directly. If you don't have the button, the direct number can also be found here inside the door well on my car. Here you can speak to them and ask if your car is currently synced to someone else's account. Another option would be to call your local Mercedes Benz dealer. Tell them directly that you are concerned that your car may be synced to the previous owner. They should be able to check your car and advise you. One thing to be aware of is your car may or may not have the factory option for the Mercedes Me app. This is again something you'll be able to find out if you call Mercedes Me or your local Mercedes dealer. Just give them your registration. So there we have it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. This was just something that I could not ignore and had to share with you all. So guys, help spread the word by giving this video a like. I've also popped in 2 other videos on the screen that you may enjoy. Thank you so much for watching guys, I'll see you next time.